There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up. Babe, I know that it's you, so but could you bottle it up? Get down to the heart of it. No, it's my heart. Your shit out of your luck. Don't make me tell you again. Woo! Love, love, love. Hey. Love, 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 love. I do it for love. Love, love, love.
Do it for. Yeah. Do it for. I do it for the love, yes I do. So you don't care about the money, well yes it's true. And I'm so blessed to be fulfilling my destiny. All material things could mean less to me. Only thing I ever could need is a Sarah B sample with a dope ass beat. And get the mic check, all the levels right. And if it's good then I'll be here for several nights. Cause the only thing I need is a strong supporting team. The most important thing that helps supporting my dream. And I can't forget my family, helping keep my sanity. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand for me. I do it for love. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand for me. I do it for love. Yeah. Cause I can only do me, that's all I know. Dodge the difficulties and take life slow. And if I ever slow up, you know I always show up. It's still the same on me, even if I blow up. Love is what I do it for, love is why I'm rapping. Love is the main reason for how all this happened. Love for all my fans, love for all the shows. Got love for all my memories, no matter where I go, even if I'm...
Okay, hey guys, so I am back to take down my twist. I put this in yesterday evening around this time. It doesn't feel like I need to add any oil to my hair, so it feels quite moist with just the Camille Naturals. And prior to that I had the Kinky Naturals Shea Yogurt in my hair, which is a more oily type product. It feels sufficiently moist and smooth, so I'm just going to proceed with takedown.
I do it for love,
I did the twist in the front slightly smaller than the twist in the back, and it's because I require more definition in the front. If you like a lot of definition, you can leave yours like this. You can just pick out the roots a little more to take away any spots you may be able to see. But this is not for me. I like big hair. So I am going to separate these different parts a little more, and I will also pick my roots to give my roots a little more volume. Separate it where it separates naturally. So I run my fingers along it, and then I break it up where it separates naturally. If your hair is moist, it should break up fine. If there is no place that it's separated naturally, I just run my fingers along the twist and I just widen it without separating it at the end. I am done separating, I think. And since I can't find my pick comb, I'm going to use my white tooth comb. You can do this as much or as little as you desire. Play with it a little bit to get your desired result. And then, just for today and just for the aesthetics of the video, I'm going to do a little lane, not super lane, I'm not good with that, but just, you know, take my edges a little bit. I'm going to use the Gorilla Snug Gel, just a tiny little bit. Now guys, I cannot see very well, so I'm going to go close to my mirror and just use my thingamajiggy, my handy dandy toothbrush. Okay. D'accord, je pense ça bon. Je finis. Ma fini. Ta-da! I'm done. This is the final result, and I guess we can say it's a success. Yes! Camille Naturals Almond Dry Twisting Butter never fails, eh guys? Never. Great definition, great moisture, but my hair is not greasy, and I am loving what it did. So here's the question: do you do twist outs? And if you do, what is your favorite product to do twist outs with? Your product that you know will give you a great end result no matter what.